Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has gained 0.5% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator has transitioned into the neutral zone. Bitcoin has added 3.6% in the last two sessions. The ADX has lost steam and is now giving a neutral signal. The price of gold has added 1.9% in the last two sessions. The stochastic RSI has skyrocketed into positive territory. The price of crude oil has fallen 0.4% in the last session. The ROC has sunk into negative territory.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Oil prices dropped, with Brent slipping from a 5-month high as global demand remained below pre-COVID levels, while U.S. production edged up. The chief investment officer of currency manager A.G. Bissett believes the U.S. currency will plunge 36% against the euro over the next year, taking it to levels it has not seen in more than a decade. The vast majority of Japanese crypto traders may be investing solely in Bitcoin. According to recent data, Bitcoin's dominance relative to altcoins in the Japanese market reached more than 87% in April.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The German retail sales will be released at 400 GMT, the Eurozone's PPI at 700 GMT, the U.S. MBA mortgage applications at 900 GMT, the U.S. factory orders at 1200 GMT, the U.S. crude oil inventories at 1230 GMT, and the Australian GDP at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.